Did you know that you could hide your archived chats on Telegram? If you did not, I am going to teach you how you can do so. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can hide your archived chats on Telegram. Go ahead and open Telegram, which is on your phone. Now, you can hide your Telegram archived chats by simply clicking on the archived chats, clicking on pin chat list. So go ahead and click on it again and click hide from chat list. You can see that your archived chats has been hidden. Now to show it, go ahead and pull this down and you can see the archived chats over here. So let me teach you by archiving a chat. I will tap on this group, I'll click on the three dots on the top and go to archive. You can see that this chat has been archived. To unarchive it, I'll tap on it, go to settings and click unarchive. So you can see this is the archived chats. To hide it, tap on it, tap on pin in chat list, go ahead and tap on it again and click on hide from chat list. This way you can easily hide your archived chats on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.